guys. Oh, I'm terribly late for my dance class. Don't disorient me. How are you doing?
Hello there, Vera. It really is bad to be late. Therefore, we won't hold you back any longer.
And we're doing fine. We bought a new game called The Adventures of the Trainsformers.
Oh, it must be shooting and stuff. And I like the game, with enchanted castles, a prince and a princess, and their wedding in the end, and...
Vera, how late are you already?
When I met you, I was late for 2 minutes. Oh no, what have you done, you guys? Now I'm late for 5 whole minutes.
Oh dear, what have we done, Ethan? We must help her.
Yeah, but how?
I've got an idea.
So if I understand you correctly, you want to stop all the clocks in Train City for 5 minutes? Is that correct?
Yeah, Mr. Clockface, please. Please, it's only for 5 minutes. Vera won't be late that way.
The Train City is so big, and 5 minutes aren't a very long time, you know. No one would ever notice. Oh, please, could you help us?
So what you're saying is that you think nobody would notice those 5 minutes, right? All right, then, let's just picture this for a moment, shall we?
La la la, I have guests today. Oh, it's time to take the cake out. It's been 5 minutes sharp. Oh! I'm burning! I'm burning! Water! I need water!
Oh, let's hear the weather forecast for today, huh?
And windy. It has been our weather broadcast for tomorrow. You are listening to...
Darling, I'm going to take a quick shower before work.
Remember, in 5 minutes, they're closing the water to repair the pipes.
I've got plenty of time, a whole 5 minutes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, what's going on? Where's all the water at?
Yeah. Mr. Clockface was right. Poor Mrs. Dove with her cake. And my dad, he was late for work.
And poor Grandpa Billy with the weather broadcast.
But George, what about Vera? We didn't help her, did we?
Hi there, guys.
Vera? Were you very late?
I wasn't late at all. I got confused. Actually, my dancing class is tomorrow.
Tell me, Ethan, who would be the most disoriented person in the whole of Train City? Huh?
I think that would be Vera.
Of course it's Vera.
Athos. Porthos. Aramis. And me, D'Artagnan.
No, D'Artagnan was a boy, not a girl, Wendy.
D'Artagnan is a last name. Let us assume that he's my brother who took a sick leave. I took his place. Let's not forget that we're all the 3 Musketeers.
I'm sorry to interrupt you again, but we are 4, so we can't be the 3 Musketeers. If we're 4, we should be the 4 Musketeers.
The book is called The 3 Musketeers, so we will be 3, even though we are 4 Musketeers. Well then, we need to find the Queen's earrings and save her. Oh, my brave Musketeers, bring me back my earrings. I forgot them across the river. If I don't get them back, my parents will punish me. And beware of the Cardinal's guards.
No, don't stop! I will hold them back.
No, you won't. We will hold you back.
No, you won't. I will hold you back.
No, we will.
No, I will.
No, we will.
No, I will.
Guys, let's
I
hold
will.
somebody back already.
Get the Musketeers.
Ooh.
Hey, George, Aramis, hold him.
Why can't you do it yourself?
I promised my mom to come home early today.
How could I hold them back? What's wrong with him? I've got a serious disease. It's called a dry gulch syndrome.
A dry gulch syndrome? Is it contagious?
Yes, very.
Well, tell me, how can it be cured?
Can you bring me that plantain leaf from over there?
I think George succeeded in holding them back.
Here are the earrings. Whoa! Ethan, grab the earrings. Save the queen.
Oh! We are giving you back the dry gulch syndrome. I say your Aramis didn't hold us much. Right away, I knew he was faking it. I know him so very well.
Don't play the fool with the Cardinal's guards.
The queen's earrings. She forgot them in the forest, and her parents would give her a scolding. Too bad that neither of you, my dear and brave Musketeers, could bring these studs back to Her Majesty. Instead of doing it that way, the Cardinal's guards would bring them to her.
Is that real? The Cardinal's guards would save the Queen and not the brave Musketeers?
I don't like this ending at all. Let's get them. Come on. Thank you all, my brave and loyal lifesavers.
Well, the ending of the play is a bit unexpected, but why not indeed? Bravo!
Wow, they didn't get that much applause in the book.
The participants do their exercises on the training field. And in the end, there is an exam. Oh, wow. Cool. A training field exercise.
Yeah, that's cool indeed. Is it on the training field?
I guess only boys are allowed there.
No, Vera. The rules are for everybody. It is written right there on the board. Didn't you see, Vera? So everybody means everybody.
Well, then we are everybody too.
Oh, where is he?
Ethan, don't worry. George will be here real soon. He's just a little late, okay?
He's just a little late. He is
Oh,
always
dear.
late.
Shouldn't you be at your dressmaking class? What do you think you're doing here, huh? Wait, my mom won't let me go unless I finished my meal.
Well then, did you finish it?
Oh, yeah.
See you on the training field then.
Sam Sparky, the rules are as follows. Passing is prohibited where the restricting sign and a semaphore signal say no. All right, my friends. You have to complete the main assignment. You should reach the river and get across it. But you should not use the big bridge. It is not suitable for children.
Private Sam Sparky requests permission to speak. My brave Sam Sparky. The squad wants to know how to find the shortest way.
I gave a map to each squad, so use it to find the shortest way.
That's weird. According to the map, there has to be a city here. And we should be standing on a street.
Yeah, but we're standing in a swamp. Wah! You're holding the map upside down, Arnold.
Oh, the swamp. Oh, I'm sinking in. Help me. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, Let me out, please. Help me!
The assignment says a bridge. Is that right?
Yep, this is the bridge.
The bridge is forbidden to use. We should find a bypass.
Suddenly, a band of savages came out of the jungle.
Where is Arnold? Did you eat him up? Well, Arnold stood behind.
He got stuck.
And it's all my fault. Sam Sparky, we are friends. A true friend would never fail a friend when he needs help. Let's go and find Arnold first, and then complete the assignment together. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
I shall stay up here in case Arnold shows up. Arnold, you got out! Hooray! What? Where? Here's the river I see. I'm getting across to be the first one. I'm ready to go. Arnold, hold it! Where are you going? The bridge is dangerous. No.
Congratulations! Both squads were excellent in completing the assignment, while George distinguished himself in action. And so now, you understand the seriousness and the importance of the safety rules here on the railroads.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. Awesome movie! With a sword cut in half, then he was alive again. I was on the edge of my seat. He sat through the whole movie with his eyes shut. He didn't see a thing, I swear.
No, I wasn't. I heard everything.
Oh, look, old Billy's house is like the Black Castle in the movie.
What was that? I can hear someone is snarling.
And it's definitely not a steam engine. It's as if somebody is creeping up on a victim.
Creeping up on a victim? Ah! So Grandpa Billy changes into a monster every moonlit night, just like this tale says right here. What kind of monster can you check up and learn about? It's important. Well, it doesn't actually say here, but it sounds horrible and dangerous. Very dangerous.
Poor old Billy. It's because he's so lonely, I guess. But what if we're wrong about it?
There's only one way to check up our theory, guys, and I think I got it. Guys, I say we wait until the full moon comes out. And then we'll just... What will happen then?
Well, surely, then he'll come out and eat you up. That's what.
Why me? It could be you. I helped Grandpa Billy water his flowers and you didn't, you know.
George, why did you bring a bucket of water?
I heard that, or rather I read in a book that if you water them, they become friendlier. That's it. Guys, the moon is out now. Soon Grandpa Billy will turn the lights off and then... Arnold, put the bucket down. I was only holding it, you know.
What do you know? Everybody needs a bucket.
Oh.
Why did you run away?
Why did you run away? That's it, everyone. Now we need to take action immediately, guys. Okay, bait is delicious food that a monster loves, but he doesn't have any for himself. I don't want to be bait. Besides, you know I'm not delicious at all.
Oh, but you're just a fat guy. Huh. It makes you so yummy, so live with it.
How's he gonna find out that I'm here? Well, first he'll smell you, and then he'll come out and eat you up. I mean, he'll try to, but we'll give him a treat from the bucket. George, I think I don't have any smell at all. Then how? Like this? Oh. No, not appetizing enough. Learn from me. Listen. Ooh!
Huh? That's outrageous! They won't let an old man sleep.
There he is. There. Spill water on him. Quickly, Nap. Quickly.
There you are, you naughty kids. Just you wait. Go away. Oh.
I wish I were you. Look at me, I'm all wet. You know what I think? Maybe Grandpa Billy made noises in his sleep like this.
Was he just snoring?
Ethan, why aren't you going to play outside?
Mom, am I beautiful?
Ethan, you are the most beautiful little train to me, my darling.
I'm beautiful to you because you're my mom. But what about the others?
Ethan, outer beauty is not the only thing that matters. Good deeds matter. Politeness, kindness, and honesty. You need them to be beautiful, my love.
Is that it? I'll go and do something good to become the most beautiful little train in the whole city. What? It's beautiful, huh?
Oh, Ethan, you scared me. I think its beauty is stunning.
What, more than mine, you mean?
Ethan, you're kidding me. You can't possibly compare yourself with this microscope here.
What microscope, George?
Ethan, are you sure that one good deed is enough to become beautiful?
You might need 2 good deeds for the whole body to be beautiful. One should be enough to get beautiful eyes. Hello, Mrs. Dove. Can we help you to get to your wagon home, please?
Oh, thank you, boys. Thank you. You are so very nice.
You see, George, we are nice before we actually did something. Can you imagine our stunning beauty after we do good deeds? Oh, the wagon is so heavy. Hey, look at me. Am I now more beautiful than before?
I think that your left eye got a bit wider.
Oh. Then a wagon is not enough to make me beautiful. Mrs. Dove, can we please clean up your house?
Oh!
I completely forgot about being polite, honest, and kind. I just wanted to say, Mrs. Dove, thank you very much for everything.
Thank you so much for letting us clean your floor, Mrs. Dove.
Thank you very much, boys. I appreciate it.
All the best to you, Mrs. Dove. And bon appetit. And good night to you.
Oh.
All right, the good deeds are done, and we've been polite. Honesty is left.
It's one serious trail. Can we clean a floor again instead?
Okay then, I broke a glass, I was late for school, I didn't brush my teeth, I haven't done my homework, I didn't listen to my mom.
And I forgot to clean my room and...
Well, okay, it's time for my turn now. Back in the time when I was a little train, I was late for class once.
All right then, I guess now it's time for kindness. And then, George, beauty will be ours.
Whoa! Guys, I'm sorry. It was an accident, I swear.
Oh, Arnold, you're such a great guy, Arnold. You hit me just a little bit and my bruise is so small.
Are you hurt at all, Arnold?
Hey, sorry, guys. I'd better be going.
Hello, kids. Well, then, isn't it a lovely day today, eh?
Hello, General. Can you tell us something? We've been kind, honest, and polite from the beginning of the day to the end of it. When shall we become more beautiful?
It is very good to be honest, polite, and kind, that's for sure, of course, dear boys. But one day is not enough to become beautiful. You need to be like this forever, every day for the rest of your lives. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh.
Oh, Ethan, as a matter of fact, I think your other eye got wider too.
Hey, George! Are you coming to play? Hey, George!
Poor George.
George got an electric shock.
Scary, isn't it? This is my new invention. It's called George 2000. He's my twin robot. He will do the house cleaning for me.
Oh, George! You're a genius!
How do you manipulate him? With a remote. Just see this. George is good for nothing. Sorry, wrong button. Here, George is the most hardworking little train in the world.
I think the first phrase was a bit more accurate.
So you wanted to play outside? Okay, George, house cleaning mode. Okay, let's go now.
Well, well, the great Professor George. He created something special, a robot.
Good afternoon.
What is going on here, eh?
Can I water the flowers, please?
Kid, watering flowers is a very serious business. But I see you are a very responsible little train. Why don't you go on and do it? And in the meantime, I will take a nap, and I can really use one. Hey, what's going on now? George, what have you done?
Grandpa Billy, I brought you some cakes.
Grandpa Billy, what's going on here? Whoa!
Who's disturbing that piece here?
It's George. It's George. It's all his fault, I tell you.
Well, well. Where's this naughty kid, then?
There he is. Stop him now.
George, here!
Oh, dear me. They're identical. Now tell me who made the mess in Grandpa Billy's garden.
It was all my twin robot. Honestly, it's not my fault at all. No, he is my twin robot. Liar, you are the twin. I am George. No, I am George. No, I am. 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 No, I am.
No, I am.
No, I am.
I am.
No, I am.
That's me.
No, I am. Oh, sorry. Did you drop this? Run! Oh, George. What have you done now?
Now I know for sure, guys. I guess I have to clean my room by myself.
Hey, friends. Press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
I can't understand it. Such a good teacher like yourself having such a badly behaved son.
We didn't know.
Well, you should have known that. The railroad is no playground. It's very dangerous, especially if you're clinging to moving wagons. That's dangerous for everybody, not just kids. And this time they got away with a scratch. But next time they could get seriously injured.
I think it's time to go.
Goodbye.
What's wrong with you? How could you do that? Now go home. Your father will have a talk with you later.
What's going on? Did they go and play on the railroad again?
I told him 1,000,000 times. And I assure you that we studied all the safety rules in class over and over again.
Safety rules, you say? I see. Well, it's time to study the unsafety rules then. Just trust me. Children, I need your help now. We are all going to teach someone the unsafety rules.
Oh, those adults. They always worry and it's for nothing. Arnold, wake up! Don't fall asleep. Our adventures are waiting. Hey, George, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Want to go with me where I've been yesterday?
Yeah, but first tell me where you were yesterday.
Playing on the railroad. It's so cool. I broke something when I played there, but the doctor says in 2 years I'll be fine. Can you three help me and push me to the railroad? Because I can't go by myself anymore.
No, it's too early for you.
It's just too bad he played on the railroad, eh?
Oh, hey guys! Do you like our new look?
You know, now I have to go out in 2 separate parts. Can you imagine that?
Huh? But what happened to you guys?
Oh, nothing much. We were clinging on to Grandpa Billy when all of a sudden he reversed. I'm telling you, it was great fun.
Yeah, it hurts a bit, but they say that someday the pain may pass. Is it fun or what?
Yeah, I can't stop laughing.
Hey, maybe could we go to the library instead of that?
No. We had some plans, remember?
Vera, you were a very good girl. Playing on the railroad is what it's all about.
Yes, Mother. And now the joy is tearing me apart.
Where was it that we wanted to play on? Well, now I changed my mind. So, how do I get to the library?
Turn left at the corner.
Good work, everyone. I think that they finally got the point.
It was much easier than making our dad stop snoring at night.
To begin with, here is the road traffic safety guide, and we'll start with the signs first.
Hey, can I be the first to read it? Hey, tell me something. What are these grave faces for? Where are you going, huh? Heading to the library or what?
Hey, guys. Now we're studying for a quiz about safety rules. As a matter of fact, the lesson is today. Want to come with us?
Come with you to study? I hate studying. It's way too boring. All the more for that safety rules nonsense. I know how to use the fire cartridge. What I know is enough, right? Oh.
Uh-huh. It's boring. You'd fall asleep.
Ah, yeah, it's boring. You'd fall asleep. You would.
Well, whoever wants to go and waste their time may go and study without me. And we are going to play now.
Do whatever you please. Off you go, all.
Look at me, I'm a rocket. I'm the speediest of all.
I can go even faster. Watch me!
And I have a blaster, and I can go pew, pew, pew.
Awesome! Let's go on the big railroad and play there.
Oh, no. But it's
You
dangerous.
coward! Why don't you go and play in a playground with babies?
All right. Let's go then. But not too far, okay?
Awesome! Just look at these wagons.
Oh, there must be a million of them.
Come on. A train cannot possibly be that long. Less than 1 billion. That's for sure, I believe.
Oh, how do we get over to the road? Oh, let's creep under the wagon.
What do you mean? Crawl under the wagon?
No way. You must not creep under wagons. It's very dangerous.
It's dangerous for you, Arnold. For you. Not dangerous for me. Hey, come on. Really, cowards. You're so funny, guys. Why did you shut your eyes?
Oh, there were trillions of wagons. I thought they'd never end, I swear. I swear I did.
Hey, guys, I was so terrified that I think I lost some weight.
When I grow up, I'll be carrying wagons. Just like these. And Arnold will get so fat that he will have to be towed himself.
Or pushed from behind,
I'll be speeding, of course. And Arnold will go like, "Hey, Sam Sparky, where are you going? Wait for me." Hey, what was that? Why am I moving? Why am I moving? Oh!
Hey, Sam Sparky, where are you going? Wait for me!
Switch yourself off the wagon! Switch yourself off the wagon!
Oh, no, I can't! The lock is jammed! Where is Sam Sparky?
Tell me what's happened. Sam Sparky, he is, well, he's traveling.
Where is he traveling?
We don't know, actually. We've never asked him. I think he's far away.
Hey, there he is, look!
Here. Here is your runaway. The train had to make an emergency stop because of him. How could you defy the safety rules after I taught them to you so carefully? Now remember, children, a railroad is not a place for playing games.
Please forgive me, officer. I will never do that again, I promise.
We'll never do that, please.
Oh, please, we promise.
Oh, all right, but this is the last time.
Well, what do you say, guys? Are you going with us to study for the safety rules quiz that's coming up soon?
Isn't it too late, Wendy?
It would have been too late if you had been gone for good, but you came back.
Ethan. It's too late. Time to go to bed.
Aw, please, Mom, please. Just let me read one more page, Mom.
The mighty hero. Hey, are you at home, good sir?
What do you want, good lady?
Oh, good sir, there has been a great disaster.
What, was the barn burnt out again?
No, not a barn. The three-headed fire dragon has eaten all the harvest.
I see now. Wait, let me go ask my mom if I can go fight the dragon right now. Yes, get on your way, good lady. I'll go and bring 2 fellow heroes with me as soon as I can. After all, we're called the 3 mighty heroes.
Quite a big dragon this one is. Let's strike him with a club while he's asleep. Maybe he'll fly away in fear.
Who is going to strike with a club, then?
Oh, well, we woke him up, and now we'll have to fight him.
Hey, dragon, come face us in a fight. We'll have no mercy for you.
No mercy.
And who are you exactly? Listen, I really can't see you well at all. We are the 3 mighty heroes. Hey, actually, We are 2 heroes and 1 heroine.
Oh, hi, guys. I'm here.
Oh, look, it's him. He ate everything while we were asleep.
Don't bother whispering. I can hear everything.
Hey, are you spitting on us or what?
Oh, help, a fire!
Take that! Oh, it hurts! Oh, take that!
Well, all right then. I guess we'll be going. Have a great weekend.
Dragons say to each other, make friends, never, never break friends.
Okay then. The dragon is taken care of. Let's go and give a ticket to the witch for polluting.
Achoo! Hey, guys. Have any of you seen the golden fish around here? Well, she owes me one thing.
Aha! Here's a poacher, guys. Take charge of him. Come on.
Oh, look there! Cinderella is right behind you.
What? Where? Where's Cinderella?
What a fraud he was, guys. Who could expect this from a graybeard?
Little cabin, could you turn your face to us? Your back is to the forest.
Oh dear, but this is my face. I just don't look so good today. Achoo! I've got the flu.
Forest witch, come out and surrender. You can't hide away from us. We can see your wooden legs stretching out of the window.
Oh, dearie me. She doesn't live here anymore. She moved out yesterday, actually. It isn't the witch's leg, it's Pinocchio's leg. He's living here now instead of her.
Oh, dear, no, we're late again.
It must be Sleeping Beauty sleeping. Let's wake her up. Because with her snoring, she won't let anybody else sleep for a long time. Who is the Sleeping Beauty here?
I'll show you the Sleeping Beauty.
Who would have known it was a giant? They all snore alike anyway.
Quack, quack.
Hey, that's my arrow. I've been looking all over for it. Do you speak froggies? How can I tell her? Why is she winking at me? My dearest, Quack-Quack. His arrow, Quack-Quack, is mine. Thank you so much, Quack-Quack.
Oh, my Prince Charming, my beloved fiancé.
Quack.
Hey, I want a fair princess too. Ethan, are you asleep? Ethan!
Tell me, are you asleep, sweetie?
Oh, where is my fair princess?
Oh!
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
An extraordinary event is coming next month. A giant comet will fly in space between our train city and the moon.
Wow, a comet! We must go and welcome it, guys. I think I have an idea.
George, are you sure we have enough soap for a long flight?
Our soap engine produces 1,000 bubbles a second at the least. The comet is at a distance of 150 million bubbles. What's your school math grade anyway? Start the main soap engine. One, start!
Just look at how beautiful it is out there.
These countless stars. What is this lovely blue planet? Is it Earth?
Yes. And there is our train city, guys. It's right over there.
Oh, where in the world is Ethan?
I'm here, hanging. Hovering.
Be very careful in a gravity-free state.
Attention, please. We're approaching the comet.
Everybody,
Attention,
take
please.
your seats. We're landing
We're
on the
approaching
comet.
the comet.
Well, everybody, welcome to the comet.
It doesn't seem welcoming at all.
A cool place if you ask me. It's really cool.
Be careful, Ethan. Space winds may sweep you away.
Oh! ever stop tossing and turning today? I'm sick to my stomach. Whoa, what a funny space dream I'm having.
We are happy to welcome you to our comet, alien.
Welcome to your comet? Is it real then? Wait, why do we look alike? Are we relatives?
We always take a shape of an object we see for the first time. And this is the first time we see you.
Awesome!
We'll split into 3 groups and look for Ethan. I'll start by...
Hey, look, guys! I'm here!
Didn't you mean we are here? Ethan, enough with your tricks.
These funny comet aliens. Did you see them?
Yeah, they took the shape of our tank wagon.
George, what did you give them as a souvenir?
I gave them soap. They've never seen it before, ever.
All hail soap. Ouch. Ouch.
Ethan, are you in?
Hey, George, where are you?
I'm up here.
But how did you get up there?
It's my latest invention. It makes the little trains go over wastelands, oceans, and mountain peaks. Isn't it cool?
Awesome. Can I take a ride?
No problem. Come out. I brought another set for you.
It's wonderful. Everything is so small down there. Hey, look, it's Grandpa Billy. Grandpa Billy, hello?
Little brats, I can't see you. Where are you?
My invention is not for the use of mischief and pranks. It is for help and assistance.
Let's go make fun of Arnold.
I should really stop watching those alien movies before midnight.
He quickly found shelter in the attic from them. Suddenly, a voice of an alien came through the window and said to them, "We came for your delicious engine." We came for your delicious engine.
My engine isn't tasty.
Who has a delicious one here?
Fantastic has for sure. Fantastic. Your engine is delicious, isn't it?
No, mine doesn't taste good either. We're all totally disgusting dudes here.
Look at you guys! Open your eyes, it's us!
True friends would never do such a thing.
Hey there, don't worry, Arnold. Tomorrow we will pay them back. I can promise you that. It was an awesome ride, thank you. But the prank was a bit wicked, don't you think?
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll fly there to apologize.
We test the system now. We'll make sure it works, and in the evening, they'll see it coming.
Are you sure I won't fly to outer space? I hardly had any breakfast.
Don't worry about it, Arnold. Just let it go.
What did you eat? Kettlebells?
Good afternoon, Grandpa Billy. Lovely weather today.
I love stories about castles, especially enchanted ones.
What time is it now, please?
Arnold, where are you going? Wait for us.
I'd be happy, but I can't stop. Please help me.
Just hold on, Arnold. Come on, don't fall down. Hey, Arnold, listen to me. Jump down.
I'm scared.
Arnold, hold on!
Phew. You're welcome. Special thanks to my latest invention. But still, true friendship is the best help you can get.
Oh, hey, George. Want to come to my place and read a book together?
All right, then.
You know, I got a new book, and it's all about the Great Wizard of Puff. You see, he fulfills wishes of good little trains, even the most magical wishes.
Are you kidding me? There's no magic and no wishes of fulfillment either.
You can't just say that. Prove it.
Well, everybody knows that.
This everybody of yours know nothing, because they did not find what I have, a wish tree. And I know where it grows, George.
But where?
I know. There's one magic apple tree not far from here. It can fulfill all your wishes. Come with me. I'll show you. All you need to do is pick the magic apple. You have to say the magic words, and then your wish gets fulfilled right away, George.
What? You want us to climb the tree?
Oh. Together we will do it right.
Let's try to knock the apple down with this. Come on, the last attempt. Are you okay?
The Great Wizard of Puff, come and make George's wish come true.
What's that, huh?
It's the magic words.
Well, I wish there was candy rain all over the train city.
No.
What?
It's too complicated. I mean, not everyone likes candies on their roofs. Some people don't like sweets at all. You know that. Come on, wish for something else, George.
All right, fine, I see. I know. So I wish for a red wagon with a beautiful crane.
And I want my dad to come home early from work.
All right, where's my red wagon with a beautiful crane, huh?
Well, let's go look inside.
Where? Where's my crane? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, no. Ethan, we forgot to tell the wizard a date and a time. What should we do about it now?
You know, George, I think that, we should wait for tomorrow, maybe.
Ethan, look! I'm so sorry I didn't believe you.
You see? True magic exists.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Dove. Where's the red wagon with a crane?
Ethan bought it. Where are you going?
I just wanted you to believe in magic too, George. Well, consider it a magic present then. And I'm really sorry that true magic doesn't exist. It really is true magic. Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. What a great present you've got, George. You're so lucky.
Yeah, I love it too, Ethan.
It's been a long time since I got a present.
Oh, look up.
Everybody, look at me! Look at my red balloon!
What a beautiful balloon Ethan got.
Yeah, very beautiful.
I think everybody saw my balloon, and everybody liked it.
You know, I've been thinking, why'd you think this balloon is yours? Maybe somebody's lost it. You have to give it back then. Excuse me, did you lose a balloon by any chance?
Oh, no. Ethan, we thought it was yours.
Well, I thought so too, actually. But what if it was lost and I found it by accident, you know? Have you lost this, maybe?
We've been through the whole town, asking everyone. But what if it came here from another town? What if someone there is looking for it and crying bitterly? We have to go there and find out.
You can go there if you want to. Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie. You know, I had a surprise for you, but it's gone. I'm so sorry.
Let me guess, you bought a red balloon, and it flew away.
But how did you know that? Did you find it?
Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Oh, please, just don't lose it. It was my mom who lost the balloon. She wanted to give me a present. Where is it now, huh?
It caught on a tree, then it came off and flew away. I looked for it everywhere, but it was gone.
I told you in the first place it was mine.
I'm sorry.
Well, you've got your present, and I don't. All because of you.
Ethan, wait a second.
Maybe just one day it'll come back.
Ethan, don't cry. These are all for you. Do you like them?
Yes, they're great.
But you need to make up with George. You can have many balloons, but only one true friend. Now go and talk to him.
Well, it was an accident. I didn't know. And now I lost my best friend.
You didn't. Hey there. You can choose any balloon you like, George.
Wow, wow. Are they all yours?
Ours.
What if I read my love fortune about Sam Sparky? He loves me not. He doesn't care, he kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight, he'll send me to depot. What does that mean, I wonder? But why? Sam Sparky, I read on a daisy that you're going to send me to depot. Why would you do that? What did I do wrong?
Leave me alone, Bear, I'm writing.
No, answer me.
You know what? Go to depot.
So I see the daisy was right. Hey guys, now I can finally and truly determine what guys think about me.
Oh, that's so interesting. You created a machine that reads the mind?
I don't need any machines for that. Look here. First, you need to name a guy. Let's say that it's George. Okay. He loves me not. He doesn't care, he kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight, he'll send me to depot. He loves me. So you love me.
Oh, this is nonsense.
It's true, daisies don't lie. You're in love with me. It's wonderful, I've got a new admirer.
No, I'm not in love. Just stop it. Anyway, this is not scientific. What can a silly flower know?
Hey, George, come on out. Forget about this daisy. Come on, really.
Let's find out about you. So, Ethan. He loves...
Who does she think she is? Science denies it. Those daisies don't know the truth. It just doesn't make any sense.
You don't love me?
That's
Why?
not true.
One of you loves me, and the other one doesn't love me whatsoever. I'm really hurt.
The most surprising thing to me is that now she's offended by me.
We must show her our calculations, and she will see.
And she'll understand that she was mistaken. If she understands.
She will understand how wrong she really is.
Let's give her a pretty bow to make her feel better just in case. And maybe she'll stop being silly.
That's it. I'll never speak with the boys anymore.
Vera, I want to show you proof that you are wrong.
Yeah, right. You want to prove that I'm incorrect? What boy in the whole wide world can tell that he's in love?
This is all stupid, Vera.
You don't love me. Everything I do for you, you just think is nonsense.
Huh? You know what? If you believe in those stupid daisies, let me read it. She loves me not. She loves me not. She doesn't care, she kisses a lot. She'll hold me tight, she'll send me to depot. She loves me not. She does care, she kisses a lot. Aha, I got you!
Oh, that's right, my friend. So, either say that reading your love fortune on daisies is silly or kiss George.
Okay, I believe you. Daisies are silly. I'm not gonna kiss anyone.
Hooray! So, we're good now? This is a present as a sign of our friendship.
This is so romantic. Thank you, guys.
Wow, she kissed me anyway. Well, I think I need to get to know daisies better.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.